Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Dairy-free smoothies can be a great option for weight loss for several reasons. Number one, they're low in calories. Many dairy-free smoothies are made with low-calorie ingredients such as fruits and vegetables, which can help you keep your calorie intake in check. Number two, they're high in fiber. Many of the ingredients in dairy-free smoothies such as fruits and vegetables are high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after drinking the smoothie, reducing the chances of overeating. Number three, they're nutrient dense. Dairy-free smoothies made with fresh ingredients provide a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for overall health and weight loss. Number four, they're dairy avoidant. Dairy products can be high in fat and calories, which can contribute to weight gain. Replacing dairy products with dairy-free smoothies can help you reduce your calorie intake and avoid added fats. Number five, they're easy to make. Making a dairy-free smoothie is quick and easy, making it a convenient option for a healthy breakfast or a snack on the go. Now, before we get deeper into this video about dairy-free smoothies for weight loss, check out the link in the description to discover a special formula that combines 10 of the best clinically researched types of fiber that can help you lose weight. Check out the link in the description to learn how your happiness, your well-being, and your entire life changes. Now, here are some of the top dairy-free smoothies to include in your daily routine. Sip your way to a healthier you with a refreshing green pineapple smoothie. Start your day right with a power-packed plant-based smoothie. Fuel your body with essential nutrients, healthy fats, and protein, and kickstart your day with a burst of energy. Combining leafy greens and fresh fruit in your morning smoothie is the ultimate way to give your body a boost. Consuming this wholesome and nutritious blend on an empty stomach first thing in the morning will allow your body to fully absorb all the goodness it contains. In addition to many of its health benefits, this plant-based smoothie recipe is packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients, such as fiber and essential nutrients that work together to support a healthy and balanced diet. So why wait? Treat yourself to a delicious and nutritious breakfast today and give your body the energy it needs to power through the day. Indulge in the perfect blend of mango and blackberry smoothie. Unleash the power of beetroot stems and greens with this nutritious dairy-free smoothie. Discover the health properties of beetroots and their greens and experience the ultimate flavor and nutritional boost. Filled with calcium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and fiber, the beetroot stems and greens in this dairy-free smoothie are true superstars in the world of vegetables. When combined with the right fruits and seeds, they create a delicious and wholesome blend that is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Say goodbye to store-bought prepackaged smoothies and hello to a fresher, healthier, and more affordable option. Making your smoothies at home is the easiest way to incorporate more nutritious and wholesome ingredients into your diet, and it's a great way to support weight loss and cut cravings. So why wait? Embrace the power of real, whole, and organic foods and try this delicious and nutritious dairy-free smoothie today. Experience the ultimate fusion of pineapple, persimmon, and rhubarb smoothie. Indulge in the unique and nutritious flavor of persimmons with this dairy-free healthy smoothie. Persimmons are a powerhouse of antioxidants and nutrients, and they add a distinctive and delicious twist to this dairy-free smoothie. With one of the most elevated vitamin C contents of any fruit, a single persimmon provides an impressive 80% of your daily requirement. When selecting persimmons, look for deep red, round pulp fruit with a smooth skin. As they are in season now, take advantage of this opportunity to incorporate this superfood into your diet in a tasty and convenient way. This smoothie is the perfect blend of flavor and nutrition, making it a healthy and satisfying way to start your day. So why wait? Try this delicious dairy-free smoothie today and enjoy the unique and nutritious flavor of persimmons. Sip on an apple pomegranate smoothie. Savor the benefits of pomegranate power with a convenient and nutritious drink. Enjoy the antioxidant, antiviral, and anti-tumor properties of pomegranates in a delicious and easy-to-drink smoothie. Pomegranates are a treasure trove of essential vitamins, including vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and folic acid. Don't miss out on this superfood's health benefits. Experiment with different plant-based smoothie recipes to find your favorite one and make pomegranates a staple in your diet. Indulge in a rich and creamy avocado chocolate delight. This velvety avocado chocolate smoothie is a dream come true for anyone who wants a delicious and healthy drink. Say goodbye to dairy-filled milkshakes and say hello to a creamy, guilt-free alternative that is 100% vegan-friendly. The secret to this smoothie's texture and creaminess is the high fat content of avocados. Whether you use frozen or fresh, the combination of the few simple ingredients will produce a thick, smooth, and satisfying smoothie that is sure to please. Whether you're looking for a nutritious or indulgent snack, or simply a new twist on a classic treat, this avocado chocolate smoothie is the perfect choice. Sip on Paradise, Dragon Fruit and Banana Smoothie Delight. This vibrant, sweet, and exotic dragon fruit banana smoothie is perfect for a quick and healthy breakfast or as a refreshing snack. Not only is it packed with flavor, but it also is loaded with nutrients and antioxidants, making it a great way to give your body the nourishment it needs. Whether you're trying to boost your energy levels, improve your digestion, or just want to enjoy a delicious and healthy drink, this dragon fruit banana smoothie is a perfect choice. So grab your blender and get ready to treat your taste buds to something truly special. Cocolicious Bliss, the ultimate chocolate smoothie bowl. Indulge in a healthy delight of this chocolate peanut butter smoothie bowl. Start your day with this delicious and nutritious chocolate smoothie bowl that's not only dairy-free and vegan, but also packed with healthy ingredients like fruit, protein, and antioxidants. The rich chocolatey flavor is made even more irresistible with the addition of peanut butter, a classic combination that never fails to please. Turn your smoothie into a meal by serving it in a bowl and topping it with a variety of toppings such as nuts, granola, fresh fruit, and even cocoa nibs. With every spoonful, you'll be indulging in a healthy delight that'll keep you fueled for hours. Sip on the sweet and healthy green apple spinach smoothie. Before we dive deeper into the tasty green apple spinach smoothie, check out the link in the description to discover a special formula that combines 10 of the best clinically researched types of fiber that can help you lose weight. Check out the link in the description to learn how your happiness, your well-being, and your entire life changes. Now, let's start sipping on something sweet and healthy. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to start your day, look no further than this scrumptious green apple spinach smoothie. Not only is it rich and creamy, but it's packed with wholesome ingredients that keep you going strong all morning long. Made with a blend of sweet and tart apples, juicy bananas, juicy pineapple, nutrient-rich chia seeds, and fiber-rich baby spinach, this smoothie will deliver an irresistible flavor and a powerhouse of nutrients in every sip. And with all natural, vegan, and gluten-free ingredients, you can feel good about indulging in this healthy treat any day of the week. In conclusion, dairy-free smoothies can be a great option for weight loss as they are low in calories, high in fiber, nutrient-dense, avoid dairy, and easy to make. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.